Down by the sea, I watched your love lie down as you're taken away from me. I'd seen you smiling in autumn light. I watched you shimmer on the warm summer nights. I dreamt you held me, I'd never fall. Now I can't hear a thing beyond your haunting call. Now I've awoken, you are in need, and I will nourish you as you once nourished me. With the light of the sun, you offered friendship a space to grow. You taught me the greatest parts of all the things I know. I heard the stories of how you fought before. Those stories stayed with me and will forevermore. No longer needy, I am a man. My part is written by the pen in your left hand. Now I am standing with others by my side, and we